If I told you there's a way to turn just $1 into $1 million, would you believe me? Most people don't, and that's exactly why they never build wealth. Because they underestimate the single most powerful force in finance. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. The rich call it their secret weapon, and the poor, they ignore it. But after watching this video, that won't be you. Because today, I'm going to show you how compounding can make you rich beyond your imagination. Without working harder, without a high salary, and without risky investments. But here's the catch. If you don't start early, you could lose out on millions. And I'm about to prove it to you. So what exactly is compounding? Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it keeps rolling, it grows bigger and faster. The same happens with money. When you invest, your money earns returns. Then those returns earn more returns. And before you know it, your wealth starts multiplying on its own. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the problem. Most people either start too late or never start at all. Let's say Emma starts investing $200 per month at age 20, and Jake starts at 30. They both invest the same amount every month, and both get an average 10% return. By the time they're 60, Emma has $1.2 million. Jake? Only $450,000. Same investment, same returns. But one key difference: time. Emma's money had 10 extra years to compound, and those 10 years made her over $750,000 richer. So, the real question is, how much are you losing by waiting? Okay, let's break it down. Compounding works through three key ingredients. 1. Initial investment. The more you start with, the better. 2. Rate of return. Higher returns mean faster growth. 3. Time. The longer, the better. This is the game changer. Warren Buffett started investing at age 11. He's now worth over $100 billion. Guess where 99% of that wealth came from? After age 50. That's compounding in action. Every self-made billionaire you see today didn't just earn money, they let money work for them, and that's exactly what you need to do. Alright, no more theory, here's how you can start right now. Invest consistently. Even $50 a month can make a huge difference. Reinvest your returns, never withdraw early, let it grow. Be patient. Compounding is slow at first, but it explodes later. Remember, the secret to compounding isn't about having a lot of money, it's about having a lot of time. And the best time to start? Yesterday. The second best time? Today. Now you have two choices. You can ignore this and continue struggling financially, or you can take action today and let time make you rich.